In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to make this beautiful hanging welcome slide. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. And if you are very lazy to make this slide, you can download this slide from the video description. So let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Now I have to insert a text box. Go to the auto shape gallery and click on the text box and drag it over here and write here W and change the font to lemon milk. Make it bold and let me increase the font size to 96. Let me again increase the font and keep it like this. Now go to text fill and select a fill color from here. Go to text outline and make it white outline and go to text effect, go to shadow and click on offset bottom right and select the text and click on over here format text and effect. Go to shadow and let me increase the size to 107% and increase the distance to 4 point. My text is ready. Go to insert, go to shape, let me pick an oval shape, hold down the shift key and drag it over here like this. Now make the shape fill to white fill color, make the shape outline to no outline and go to shape effect and go to shadow and click on inside top and select it and place it like this. Let me zoom in, hold down the shift key and reduce the size and keep it like this. Let me zoom out, looking realistic. Now I have to insert a line shape. So go to auto shape gallery, click on the line, hold down the shift key and drag it over here like this. Now go to shape outline, go to wide and change it to 1.5 point and go to shape outline, make it black outline and keep it the line shape like this. To make it more dramatic, again go to the auto shape gallery and select this scribble shape. Let me zoom in and draw it like this and go to shape outline, make it 1.5 point. Now let me zoom out and now this is looking perfect. Press Ctrl A to select all of these, press Ctrl G to group them together. Now I have to add the animation. Go to animation, go to add animation and click on fly in. From the effect option, click on from the top and change the duration to 1.25 seconds. Go to animation pane, go to effect option and change the bounce it like this and click on OK. Here I have to add another animation. So select it, go to add animation, click on theater, go to effect option, go to timing and change the repeat to 4 times. Click on OK and make it with previous. Now I have to duplicate the text. Let me tell you one thing, if you are passionate about your PowerPoint slide and if you want to step up your PowerPoint slide like this, here you will see various infographic. I will give the download link in the video description and there you will find 1500 plus infographic like this and you will be able to add this slide in your PowerPoint slide and it's very easy to customize. So if you want to get all of this template, just check the description box. So let us go to the tutorial again. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, keep it over here and write here E and let me click on the text box and using the arrow key place it like this. Now select the E, go to shape format, go to text fill, let me change the fill color and select the text box and keep the text like this. Now select this one, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and keep it over here and double click on the text box and write here L and select the text box and place it exactly like this. Again select all of this and keep it over here. Now double click on the text, go to text fill, go to more fill color, go to standard and select another fill color. Then select it, press Ctrl D to duplicate, keep it over here and right here C. And then select the text box, use the arrow key and keep it over here, select this and place it over here. Then let me select the text, change the text color to this color. Then select it, press Ctrl D to duplicate, keep it over here, change the text box, place it like this, select it, keep it over here and change the text fill to another fill color. Then press Ctrl D again to make it duplicate and keep it over here and change the text to right here M and select the text box and keep it like this, select the text and place it over here. Then select it and press Ctrl D to duplicate, keep it over here and right here E and keep the text like this. Let me change the color of the text, select this one, go to text fill, go to more fill color, standard, let me select another fill color. Now press Ctrl A and keep it like this, and here I have to go to the animation and go to the animation pane and select this group, this one, this group, this one, this group and this one and make it with previous. Let me watch the show. Actually I have to add some delay to make it more dramatic. So let me select group number 9, 19, 30 or randomly actually and change the delay to 0.25. Then select 14, 25 and 35 and change the delay to 0.50 and select the group number 1 and make the delay to 0.75. Now select all of this theater and I have to make it with previous. Actually click on with previous. Now here let me watch the slideshow. You will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And if you are very lazy to make this slide, you can download this slide from the video description. So let's begin the topic.